Welcome. In front of me I have TCL 20 Pro, and I will show you how you can change your OLED and display theme. So at first we have to simply open our smartphone and go for the settings. When you are here, we have to choose home screen and the lock screen and go for the always on display. And the styles we can change in display. So when you tap here, we get a couple default themes, and we can also create our own by going here. Tap on the right upper corner to confirm, and there it is. But I'm going to set up this one. It looks really cool. And then when we are going to go back and lock our smartphone, as you can see, our theme has changed. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.